Hello friends, I am Ashok.sanodiya and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, in our earlier video, we explained that how we should prepare best potting mix and potting soil for growing succulents. And in this video, we are going to explain that how we should plant and care for them. So if you also growing succulents in your home garden, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, growing a succulent plant consists of 6 crucially important steps, and these steps being soil preparation, planting, watering, fertilization, pest control and propagation part. The easy to make soil preparation part we have already covered in our previous video, and in this video we are covering planting and watering part, and other parts we will share on continuous basis after this video. So please be with us by subscribing us and do not skip this part till the end. So for planting succulents, first of all we should ready all necessary items like some amount of coco coir, and this coco coir we are going to keep inside our succulent pot so that our soil mix will not drain out. After this, we should keep a beautiful pot ready based on our succulent size, and while choosing any pot, we must consider that the pot should have proper size of drain holes at the bottom side so that excess water can easily drain out from them. And one more point we should try to consider on our pot, that the pot should have foot part also at the bottom side so that the bottom surface would not get touched with contact surface and the water will drain out quickly at the time of watering. Otherwise, if we select a pot without having foot part, then the water will not drain out quickly and our plants will affect by over moisture. So we should always select a pot which have drain holes along with foot part. Now after considering both items, we must ready our succulent soil that should be well drainable and compatible for all types of succulent plants. For making such type of soil, we have already shared a video, so you can watch that also. So after keeping ready all required items, now first of all we will take the coco coir and place it over the drain holes as we are doing here. Now after this we will fill more than half part of our pot with our soil mix as we are doing here. Now after this we will take our succulent plant and place it in the center of the pot. Here we must take care that if plant has spines, then we should try to wear gloves or try to handle with safety. Now after placing it properly, we will fill the remaining part with soil and cover all the roots properly. We can use any stick to push the soil more deeper as we are doing here. And after this we need to do watering on our plants, and succulent watering is the most important part, so please understand it carefully. After repotting, when we do first time watering, then we should do enough watering to our plants until the water not drain out from the bottom holes. And this is a sign that our plants are getting proper moisture. And for rewatering, we should do it again when the soil would become completely dry. Otherwise, the root rot problem may start and our plants can die also. Always remember that the overwatering is the most common cause of dying succulents. So we should not do overwatering on them. And after proper watering, now we should place it in a shady area for few days and later on we can relocate it. So this was the planting and watering care for succulents. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query you can write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.